Norse mythology, with its rich tapestry of tales, characters, and cultural significance, continues to resonate with people around the world. Efforts to preserve this ancient mythology are vital for ensuring that future generations can appreciate and learn from these narratives. Various initiatives in academic research, digital preservation, cultural celebrations, and educational outreach play a crucial role in keeping Norse mythology alive and relevant. Universities and research institutions worldwide actively study and analyze Norse texts, artifacts, and archaeological findings. Scholars delve into ancient sources, such as the Poetic Edda and the Prose Edda, examining their historical context, linguistic nuances, and cultural implications. This rigorous academic work deepens our understanding of Norse mythology, revealing insights into the beliefs, customs, and societal dynamics of the Norse people. Interdisciplinary approaches, combining archaeology, history, literature, and anthropology, contribute to a comprehensive understanding of the mythology and its lasting impact. By fostering academic discourse and encouraging critical analysis, researchers help illuminate the complexities of these ancient narratives, ensuring their endurance in modern scholarship. As technology continues to transform how we access and engage with information, digital preservation has become an essential tool for safeguarding Norse mythology. Online databases, digital archives, and multimedia resources offer accessible platforms for preserving texts, artifacts, and visual representations of Norse myths. Digital reconstructions of ancient sites, Viking artifacts, and mythological imagery allow individuals to explore and visualize this rich heritage in innovative ways. These resources enable a broader audience to engage with Norse mythology, fostering interest and appreciation across diverse communities. The inclusion of interactive elements enhances learning experiences, ensuring that these myths remain vivid and compelling for future generations. Modern pagan movements and cultural festivals play a significant role in keeping Norse traditions alive. Celebrations of ancient customs, rituals, and the old gods can be seen at various events across the globe. Groups dedicated to Asatru, a modern revival of Norse paganism, practice ceremonies that honor the deities and explore the spiritual aspects of their heritage. These gatherings not only celebrate the past, but also adapt ancient traditions to contemporary contexts, promoting a sense of community and identity. Festivals may include feasting, storytelling, artistic expressions, and workshops that engage participants in the richness of Norse mythology and its relevance to modern life. Such cultural expressions ensure that the essence of Norse mythology continues to thrive within a contemporary framework. Museums, educational institutions, and community programs increasingly focus on educational outreach to bring Norse mythology to life for new audiences. Exhibitions showcasing Viking artifacts, interactive displays, and educational programs offer visitors insights into the myths, daily life, and worldview of the Norse people. Workshops and lectures, led by experts in the field, provide opportunities for attendees to engage with the materials critically, fostering a deeper appreciation for the cultural significance of these myths. By making Norse mythology accessible to diverse age groups and backgrounds, educators ensure that its stories and lessons remain relevant, instilling curiosity and understanding in future generations. Preserving Norse mythology is a multifaceted endeavor that combines academic research, digital innovation, cultural practice, and educational outreach. Each initiative contributes to the rich legacy of these ancient stories, ensuring their continued relevance and appreciation in today's world. Through the efforts of scholars, digital preservationists, cultural practitioners, and educators, Norse mythology remains a vibrant part of our cultural heritage, encouraging exploration and engagement with themes of heroism, fate, and the human experience. As we honor and celebrate these narratives, we embrace the wisdom and creativity of those who came before us, allowing their tales to resonate and inspire for generations to come.